the commercial release?
After the premiere on the 14th, we're actually having some talks with different distributors, so hopefully it gets picked up, and then we'll decide from there, right?
Yes.
Will it be released by Star Cinema?
Hopefully. Hopefully.
May abangan bang mga kissing scene, love scenes, and daring scenes to
Para
both
sa
of
akin,
you?
daring.
We put a couple of the daring ones in the trailer na nga eh.
No, it's
My mom was very shocked to see.
It's all part of it. It's when we were doing it with Rian, actually, she was really getting stressed. So
Why? No, but it's all on him. If the scene turns out well later when you watch it, you can really attribute that to him.
Pero bakit ka na-stress?
Well, it was my first. It was my first ever love scene, and
yeah,
I'm happy it went to Piolo because he's a veteran.
Wow.
He's a love scene veteran.
So, inalalayan ka ni PJ?
Yes, actually, that's probably one of the ones that I was talking about earlier. Na parang I really needed help, and he gave it to me.
Yeah, so, paano mo inalalayan?
you have to, of course. Kasi sabi nga ni Rian, sanay tayo dyan. You know what to cover, what to not show, diba?
Basta every time Direct Jepoy would yell cut, he was the first one to, like, even before I could move, he was the first one to immediately cover me up, and he's like, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" The whole time. I'm like, wow, thank you, yeah, I'm fine.
Ilang takes yung love scene?
All night. I'm just kidding.
Rian, in one word, how do you describe yung daring scenes with Piolo?
Daring.
Piolo?
It's really daring. Not naman, we don't want to sell the film as a sexy film. It's not. It's essential. Kailangan yung eksena sa pelikula, and since we're both intense din. Kailangan natin manood.